Mae'n hyfryd bod efo chi. A warm welcome to you all. It's really, really lovely to be with you, whether you're at school or you're at home. Well, yes, you're back at school now, aren't you? How wonderful. I'm sure you're glad to be back in school and the teachers. Well, did you know it's St David's Day today? Oeddech chi'n gwybod beth I bod ti'n ddiw Gwyl Ddewi, Mawrth y cyntaf, a mae hi'n braf, a mae'r daffodils allan, a dych chi'n gwybod be? Mae Tommy a Sally yma I ddathlu. Tommy and Sally are here with you and with me, and they are all ready, set, I think, to celebrate and to share with you all about St David's Day.
Well, hello Wendy, and hello Tommy. Hello G. Hello Sally. Wendy, why are they dressed up like this today? Oh, Tommy tells me it's St David's Day. Oh, so that's why they're dressed up. Yes, outfits, aren't they? Oh, yes. Right, I wonder how much we know about St David's Day. We've got a little quiz, haven't we, Wendy?
We have, Jean, yes.
So I want you to have a look at this page now as it comes up, and I want you to think about it. And it says, which country celebrates St David's Day? Is it Scotland, England, or Wales? Have a quick think about it.
Oh, Tommy's so excited, he said it's Wales.
You're right, Tommy. I wonder how many of you got it right. It's Wales. You got it right. Oh, good girl. Right, now, question 2 is, which flower is worn on St David's Day? Is it a buttercup, a daffodil, or a sunflower? Have a think. Anyone thinking? Oh, hang on. Oh, Sally says she knows. It's a daffodil. Look, Sally's got her daffodil on. Well done. I wonder how many of you knew that. And question 3, which mythical creature is on the Welsh flag? Is it a dragon, a mermaid, or a unicorn?
Oh, Tommy knows, because we've got a flag here.
Sally, we've got a flag. Well, hey, what's on there?
He says it's a dragon.
Oh, right, it's a red dragon. I wonder how many of you got that right. Well, I wonder how much we know about St David. Do you know anything about St David, Tommy?
Well, he says he knows a little.
A little bit. How about you, Sally? Oh, not a lot. Okay. Well, I'll tell you a little bit about St David. First thing I'm going to tell you, he was born in the middle of a storm.
Tommy doesn't like storms.
Oh.
He gets very frightened.
And this one was Tommy. It was very windy and rainy. Yes, very windy and rainy. And not only that, it was thunder and lightning. Ooh, it must have been really quite scary. And then, when he grew up, he became a monk. Yeah, he became a monk. Oh,
Tommy wants to know, what's a monk?
Oh, a monk is somebody who lives very quietly and very prayerfully, doesn't have much, no luxuries, so doesn't have lots of bubbly baths, and soaps and smellies and lovely things, food to eat. He just lived on leeks, dried bread, and he only ever drank water. What do you think of that?
Oh, Tommy said he's wearing a leek.
Oh,
And St David used to eat just a leek, Tommy. Ooh. Oh, you wouldn't like that, would you?
oh, Sally said no.
No. And dry bread.
No. This is one of the very famous stories about St David. He was busy talking to a crowd of people. They couldn't see or hear him. So he prayed, and the ground around him started to rise up. And a little dove rested on his shoulder.
Well, Tommy said, that's a miracle.
That is a miracle, isn't it, Tommy? And can imagine, can't you? Everyone would notice him after that, wouldn't they, Sally? With a dove and the ground rising up around him. They certainly would. Well, then they could all hear him and see him and listen to what he was telling them. Do you know anything else about him?
Well, Tommy said, is there something about standing in water?
Oh, yes, there is. Yes, he did. He stood in a lake in freezing cold water, reading his favourite book.
Tommy said he reads his favourite book in bed.
Do you wonder what his favourite book was? Do you think? Ah, yes, Sally, you're right. His favourite book was the Bible. But why did he stand in the middle of a lake in freezing cold water?
Tommy doesn't know,
Oh, well,
but he would find it very, very cold.
He would, wouldn't he? I'll tell you why, Tommy. It's because he didn't want to be distracted. He just wanted to read his Bible. And sometimes we get distracted, so the cold water made him really think about what he was doing. Yeah, it was a bit odd, wasn't it? Oh, okay. You get distracted. Yeah, we all get distracted, don't we? And another thing, St. David, before he died, he left us all a message. And the message was, be joyful and do little things for others. Oh, now what do you think of that, Tommy? Do little things for others. Do you do other things for others?
Tommy wants to know, Jean, have you done anything recently for anyone?
Oh, yes, Sally's just reminded me. Yes, I have actually. My hens lay lots of eggs, and I've got too many at the moment. So what I do, I pop them in boxes and pop them on the doorsteps of people that haven't got any and perhaps need some at the moment. What about you, Wendy? Have you done anything?
Well, yes, actually, I live on my own. And when I cook a dinner, sometimes I cook 2 or 3 dinners and I take them out to other people.
Oh, that's really lovely. Oh, what about you two? Can you do little things? Because you do know the little things we do can become the big things.
Tommy says he could go round and smile at everyone.
He could.
Well, Tommy and Sally, thank you so much, and Wendy and Jean, for reminding us of, I think, the most important thing that St. David left us with, which is that teaching of do the little things. Do something little to help make other people's life better. So, children, I wonder, what little thing can you two do today? It may even not be so little, it may be big, but even the little things can be very important. Gwyddiwn, let us pray. Diolch am esiampl Ddewi Sands. Thank you for the example of St. David. Helpa pob un o'n ni I ddilyn ei esiampl I wneud y pethau bychan. Help each one of us to follow his example in doing the little things to make other people's lives better and happier. Amen.
Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. Well, it doesn't take much, and it doesn't take long. No, it doesn't cost a thing, no, and there's no way to do it wrong. You can try it anytime, you can plant it where you want, and you can grow it in your heart, then give it out to everyone. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you will bring a smile to someone's face. And you can put put it in your words, in everything you say, in the little things you do, all throughout the day. And you could share it with your neighbor, and you could teach it to a friend, and you could show your mom and dad how the kindness never ends. Yeah. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you find this, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, oh, whenever you try this, you could bring a smile to someone's face. So if you see someone who's had a bad day, and you'd like to try and make them feel okay, just give a little kindness in your own way, because a little bit of kindness goes a long way. All together now. Kindness,